Hello again, Helen here again. So mindfulness. Now mindfulness is the concept of placing our attention and our awareness in the present moment. So have you ever noticed how much of your attention is either on past things, so things that have happened, that could be something that happened this morning, or worrying about things that might happen in the future, or consequently as well, things that might actually not happen in the future. So both these kind of thoughts often lead generally to feelings of stress and anxiety, and also by actually taking our attention consistently away from the present moment, it often really drains our natural energy as well. So to be mindful, basically we are consciously becoming aware of the present moment. We are being in the now, and we are meeting and observing everything that is happening for us right now. So this includes our thoughts, so whatever thoughts we're thinking. It includes our emotions, the things that are coming up for us. It includes our bodily sensations, so actual physical feelings that we can feel in our body. And if you take your thoughts, just for example, so by practicing mindfulness, we become aware that our thoughts do just come and go on their own accord, and more importantly, that you are not your thoughts. You are beyond just your thoughts. As you sit and learn to be in the present, you see that these thoughts come and go, and you have a choice about whether to act on them or not, whether you kind of follow them down the path that they're taking you. And being mindful gives you the power to decide which thoughts are really important or not, which ones you need to deal with. So this in turn kind of helps us to take a step back and to start to see the separation between our thoughts and our actual awareness of our thoughts. And as you start to practice being present, you become aware of what these thoughts are. So there is something beyond these thoughts that is observing them. There is something that's taking note and going, oh yeah, I'm thinking that. And mindfulness is about taking that step back. So our awareness of our thoughts, that's where you practice mindfulness from. And you can begin to see your thoughts like a bit like a film being played on a blank screen. Okay, so your awareness is the blank screen. Another really good example, and people often like to see it this way, is that our awareness is the sky and our thoughts are just the clouds that are passing across. And you can see the cloud going past, you can observe it, and then you can just watch it float on. You don't have to kind of chase that cloud. So taking some time to practice being present and observing your thoughts and feelings in the day is a mindfulness practice. It's really interesting. It helps your self-awareness, and it is part of a bigger process of mindfulness. So have a go, start to become aware of what you're thinking and feeling, and just start going, oh, I'm just going to make myself aware of what I'm doing. I'm just going to be in the present. I'm going to take myself away from that little story I'm telling myself, or a scenario that I keep imagining all the different outcomes, from, and I'm just going to be really present with what I'm doing at the moment, whether that's eating some food, whether that's going for a walk, watching something, reading something, doing a physical activity. Place your full awareness into the activity you're doing, rather than just doing it on autopilot whilst your mind is here, there and everywhere thinking about different things.